was late December.
A Berks County woman has been arrested after police say she intentionally coughed on a nurse at an urgent care facility. Police say Jessica Saul of Hamburg became frustrated last week after she was asked to wait in her car until a waiting room at the facility was available. They say Saul then lowered her mask and coughed directly in the nurse's face. Her saliva landed in the nurse's eyes and she shouted, "Take that."
Especially during a pandemic like this, we want to make sure that we're protecting our nurses, healthcare workers, and frontline staff. They're doing a lot for us, and we want to make sure they're taken care of.
The suspect is charged with reckless endangerment and disorderly conduct.